ngayon sa aming workshop, ceramic workshop, sponsored ng aming church. Nandito kami ngayon sa Kowloon. Wow!
Hello!
Hi!
Carly and Faith.
Yes.
And so this studio is called Useless Studio. And thanks to the owner, CJ and Mandy.
Thank you.
They have led us the place to work, and they have also helped us to prepare for today's workshop. So what we're doing today is we're making a mug today. And since I think anyone have experience doing ceramics?
No. This is our first time.
To make sure everyone can bring a mug home, so we actually prepared a base for each of you. So we have prepared a base for all of us, and then what we can do today, if you want a handle, then we can like add handle like this. And if you want foot or any decorations, we can add onto it. So for adding things, we have some clay for you. We can later I'll show you how to make a handle if you want a handle.
Yeah.
And then if you want for handles, there are different kinds. So there are these kind like a loop handle, or we can also use the slat, which is a piece like a flat sheet of clay, and then just to stick onto it. So no rules, it can be any shapes and forms, but the only rule is when we attach clay together, we have to make sure there's no air bubble inside. Because what will happen if there's air bubble between the clay? What will happen? Fire.
Dry stick.
Yeah, it will crack or it will explode.
Yeah.
So when we do that, we have some tools on the table, and we have some scoring. Yeah, we also have some needles, so we will have to score both sides of it and then stick them together and mend them well. So that's the first thing to do is to make the form that you like first. I hope we can finish that within like the first hour. And then for the second 2 hours is like decoration. So for decoration, now it's just clay color. And if we want to put color on it, we have some under glazes. So this is like a sample of what color we have. So based on the number, pick your color, and then we'll have to apply the color onto your cup. It doesn't have to be the whole thing, it can be part of it or whatever you like. And for decoration, you can draw, you can write. There are some tools there. I think we can work on the form first and then we can work on the decorations after.
Okay.
Since this is like a clay color, if you want like a white space, we can also put on white slip. Slip is like liquid slip, liquid clay. So we brush onto it as a base, then the base will be white, like that. So you might see. Okay, so you might see different ceramic pieces. They look very nice here, but they might not be what we're doing today. Like the glazes at the back, they're very nice. But that takes like another round to brush on glazes. Since we want to do it in one go, so we'll use this kind of underglaze, it's more controllable, and the color, like what color you paint on it, it will be what it will show after firing. Yeah, so like making ceramics takes twice for firing. And so today we'll work on the main form and decoration of it. After first firing, we'll glaze like a transparent glaze, and then fire it again. Then I hope within a month you can collect your pieces.
Akala ko makukuha na to. Hindi. Natin kaagad.
I-dry nila yan.
Ida-dry pa pala.
So what we can start today is there are 25 these kind of mugs here or cup base here. Some of them they look different, so choose what you like, and then we can start from that. Maybe after we finish. Yeah, after we finish, we'll use the needle tool to write down your name at the back. Yes.
Wow.
Lagyan ko siya ng ano. Galingan mo, Julie, ha?
Tapos hawakan nyo lang siya ng gel.
Dito talaga yan. Basta ako nag-make up ako dito.
Oo nga, yung sanay dyan na mag-ano.
Here, one is with like a longer thingy, and then the other kind is let's say maybe this, or you can make it round or whatever shape. And then how we attach is first we cut a long roll of clay, and then we kind of measure how long we need and where to put it. This would be like this would be too big. Too big, no. So we cut it into shorter first. Let's say this first. Okay, so first we determine where to put the handle. Let's say maybe around here. So we use a needle tool to score it. Yeah, make it really rough. And maybe my circle over here. This, and then for this thing, now it looks ugly, but later we'll fix it. So do the same things for it here. Alright, do this. And then next we have some. You have some. Let's try it on. Okay.
No, it's a group.
Okay, yes. Yeah. And then we have some slip here. They're kind of like glue, but they're like the same as this clay. So you can get a brush to apply on it. And then since this clay is now is a bit wet, so it depends. You can like cut it and let it stay like this first, but let it dry a bit. But I'll just do the demonstration anyway. So I'll just put it in. Like this.
Wow, nice.
So you need to use your finger, your magic finger, to blend them together in all sides.
Wow.
Just blend it.
Coffee, man.
If you think your fingers are too big, I can use
Tools.
What if too small?
Okay, so now it's very rough. There are some buckets here. Get your finger wet and then smooth it out. Wow. So what you need is patience.
We have
Yeah, so
That we
now
have.
it might be very, since now it's soft, so it's okay to hold it. But imagine if it gets hard, it might hurt your hands. So every edges move it nicely, like round, and then and then now it is like this. You can like kind of fix it a little bit like this. Yeah, or let it dry a bit first and then put it.
Okay.
So let's try this.
Okay.
kuha kami ng gagawin na handle.
Yan. Ayun, maganda yan. Yung ganyan daw kaliit.
Oh, I think this is the good size.
Tumarayan. Tingnan. Kiliwang. Kumita ka to'y pahit. Ayan na.
Doing good with my work.
Everybody, I'm sorry.
Pag hindi nagkaano, it means to say, ano lang yan?
Ito ang kanilang mga gawa. Wow.
Ha? LGBT. Ay, ano yun?
Yan, ang ganda.
Ano, di ba rainbow?
Kanya-kanyang ano wow, ang gaganda. Ang bago. Ang ganda ng mga gawa. Very free.
Ayan, tapos na namin ang aming ceramic workshop. Kaya, after 1 month, makukuha namin yung aming mga ginawa. Ito na yung aming mga ginawa. Ayan, ang ganda ng gawa ni Sister Juliet.
Magulo siya.
Ayan.
Shiny color.
Kain na tayo ng lunch.
Kaya nga eh.
Lunch, merienda, dinner.
Ano na? Sobra-sobra na.
Any extra